keep playing. You see Baby Monkey. Baby Monkey loves to play on carpet. And Baby Monkey cannot escape because it's just indestructible glass. Baby Monkey is playing with his cars. Baby Monkey, T-pose. I use the force to T-pose you. Now, I will make Baby Monkey grow. Grow, Baby Monkey. That's good. Good, Baby Monkey. You get a drink. And another one. I have the syndrome. I have a drink that will make me become as small as Baby Monk. Baby Monk. Baby Monk. And now, Baby Monkey, you're stuck in there, Monkey. Here's your drinky back. Your apple juice. Baby Monkey here for a day, and let's see what happens. A day later. Baby Monkey, what's going on? Baby Monkey, wake up. Baby, what are you doing, Baby Monkey? Baby Monkey, you cannot escape. Push his wheel back in there. Chucky. Baby Monkey has lost all memory that I exist, although he can still listen to me because I have the force. Look at Baby Monkey. He's playing with his toys, and he's playing with his and he's playing with his squeaky little army monkeys. Army monkeys. Oh wait, what are they doing to each other right now? Hey, we gotta cut the video. We gotta cut the video. Again. Bonk. You horrible Baby Monkey. Give me that. I got you. I'm holding you right now. Baby Monk, what are you doing? A day later, I caught you. And you are back in your monkey enclosure. But now Monkey's gotten so comfortable, he loves the rug. Monkey's becoming older. Looks like he'll become an entity one day and kill us all. 1 year passed. Let's see how much Monkey has grown. Oh, Monkey is the size of a monkey son. In today's enclosure day, Monkey will no longer be given drinks. He'll be given beer. Monkey, give me that. Water. Shit, that's not a real monkey, Baby Monk. Baby Monk, come on, Baby Monk. You can play in the playground now. This is an entire lab. Just know, you will never escape. Play in the ball pit with me. Where is Baby Monk? Baby Monk, you cannot know about this place, baby. Bad Baby Monk. I'll shut this door with bedrock. Baby Monk. Baby Monk, what are you doing? Baby Monk, stop eating all the snacks. You will get a hard spanking. Baby Monk, let me catch you. I picked you up. You're tiny again because I gave you the tiny syndrome.